In this video, I'll be showing you how you can play OG Roblox. And basically, this is 2017 Roblox, and you need to go to this website right here first. It's called pekora.zip. Okay, just type in this website. Oh, wait, I spelled it wrong. This one right here, pekora.zip. Okay, once you're here, you're gonna press create an application. And you're gonna have to log into your Discord account, and then it's gonna ask you to authorize your account, so press authorize. Boom, once you're logged in, you're gonna have to meet these requirements, and then you're gonna have to you're gonna put here why you want to join and some like information about your interests and hobbies and stuff like that. And then here, put in your Roblox username that you currently use. This is my alt account, and then verification. So you want to copy this. Okay, go to Roblox, once you're here, go to profile, press edit profile, and in your about section you're going to paste the thing that you copied. Paste it, save. Okay. Now that you've done that, all you want to do is press submit application. But as you can see, for me it doesn't work because I didn't put anything here. I'm just like, I want to have fun and enjoy this experience with nostalgic feelings. Submit, and boom. As you can see, it has worked, and now all you need to do is wait 20 minutes, and then your application status will be saying accepted. And yeah, that's really it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.